Edutech Idea. In the series of Microsoft O365 videos, today's topic is OneDrive. So first we need to understand what is OneDrive and what is the benefit use of OneDrive. So OneDrive is an online cloud storage. If you configure OneDrive on your desktop or laptop, you can easily access your data from anywhere, any device. Just only one requirement is internet, and you can just log in with your credential, and you can access your OneDrive and data. So in this video I will guide you how to configure and use the OneDrive. So there is two option. First is this is the Microsoft product, so inbuilt application OneDrive. You can just simply go to the taskbar right side and find the icon of the OneDrive. Simply sign in and log in with your OneDrive. And second option is go to the browser and type here the OneDrive login, and you can easily log in with web with your Microsoft email account. Okay, so there is two option. So I have already a option. If you don't have a Microsoft account or email address, you can simply create a Microsoft account from here. No, simply fill the all your details and create on the account on Microsoft and log in with OneDrive. So here only accept the Microsoft Outlook account. Gmail will not accepted because it is only the Microsoft product. Okay, so let's see friends how to use the how to configure the OneDrive. I have already Microsoft account, so I have login and guide you how to use the OneDrive application. Simply type here the email address. Now it's progress to sign in. Here is showing your OneDrive location. You can change your OneDrive folder location also from here. Change location. Okay, I am going with default. Now click on the next to go to the OneDrive. Share files and folder. Next, and all your files ready and on demand. Next, and this message will appear. Get the mobile app. Click on later. Open my OneDrive folder. Now OneDrive will my OneDrive is configured. You can see here I have multiple files mm, kept on the OneDrive, and you can simply click on the any file and click right click and share. If you click on the share button here, and you can share this file to anyone in your organization. Simply type here their email address or employee ID. You can and click on here the can view or can edit. If you can view, click on the can view option. uh, User only can view this file. If you click on the can edit, he can read and write, both permission available. And click copy link and share it to the particular recipient. So this is the option. If you share this file, thus this people icon will appear. It means ki this file will share to someone. If there is only cloud, so this option only for this file is available on cloud but not shared. Okay, and if you click on the right click here and always keep on this device option selected, it means this file is available on cloud also your device. And if this always keep option is not check mark, it means when you click this file, this file first download from the cloud and then open. And if you want to this file not also available on your PC, so you can check mark the always keep on this device. So friends, this is a option. The you can any file copy here, copy this folder, and your data will be available on the cloud on and your file if deleted from your laptop, this data will be available on the cloud.